Madam Speaker, I thank the Honourable Member for this question. The 5 and 20-year plans are very important. We had given an undertaking to this Parliament that it would be ready sometime this year. Madam Speaker, as we know that Cyclone Winston has left a trail, not just a trail of devastation, it also has caused a number of delays in some of the areas of government policy formulation and also in terms of infrastructure development, even for that matter. It has an impact on the timeline for the development plan. A number of the officers from the national planning was also based with NDMO during that period, and some of them, of course, were involved in the formulation of that report. But, Madam Speaker, work will again recommence. We are hoping to go out again to the public following July of this year, once the budget process is completed, to be able to have the second round. We have also been fortunate enough to get the services of a consultant from Asian Development Bank and also from the Australian Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade, who are giving us technical assistance guidance on the finalization of the development plan. We also have, Madam Speaker, a green growth, Global Green Growth Institute expert that is also within the team to be able to help us focus on the climate change issues, and the idea is to mainstream the development plan, of course. So, Madam Speaker, we'll be able to give a much better time frame in respect of when actually the development plan will be issued, but we're hoping that it should be finalized by the end of this year and should be ready for presentation to Parliament either at the end of the year or early next year. Thank you, Madam Speaker.